Welcome to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I'm your host, Evan, and today we are breaking down the pre-market landscape. Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's dive in. Robinhood is seeing significant interest, up about 2% in pre-market trading. This follows a strong session yesterday where the stock jumped nearly 9% after the company announced a 10% workforce reduction and record trading volumes. Analysts are viewing the move as a proactive efficiency play rather than a sign of weakness. ARM Holdings is also active, rising over 4%. The company continues to ride the AI infrastructure wave, with investors increasingly focused on its royalty growth and its central role in new data center architectures. Meanwhile, Meta is up about 1% in the pre-market, attempting to recover from a 5% slide yesterday, driven by reports of leadership departures in its AI division and ongoing legal pressures in Europe. NBIS Group is another name to watch, up over 5%, as the market continues to react to its upcoming inclusion in the Nasdaq 100 index and its aggressive expansion into full-stack AI infrastructure. Finally, Applied Materials is up over 5% following the unveiling of new chip-making systems designed for advanced 3D device architectures, which has prompted several analysts to lift their price targets. U.S. futures are showing signs of a rebound today. After a tough session yesterday fueled by investor anxiety over the Federal Reserve's latest policy projections, the mood has shifted on news of an interim peace deal between the U.S. and Iran. While the Fed left rates unchanged, the market is still processing a hawkish tone from the committee. Investors are keeping a close eye on the Atlanta Fed GDP Now estimate and recent business inventory data, which continue to provide a mixed picture of the economic outlook. In the AI economy, the focus remains on infrastructure and agentic AI. Companies like Cognizant are making headlines by integrating ServiceNow AI agents into their multi-agent orchestration platforms, signaling a shift toward more complex, cross-platform AI workflows. Meanwhile, Anthropic has restored access to its Claude Fable 5 model after a 6-day government-forced shutdown, highlighting the increasing regulatory oversight in the space. On the corporate front, we have a busy morning for earnings. Accenture reported its third-quarter results, and while the stock is under pressure, the company highlighted solid revenue growth and profitability. Kroger also reported its first-quarter earnings, with investors weighing the company's identical sales growth against its broader retail guidance. That is it for today's pre-market update. We have covered the major movers, the macro shift following the Fed's latest comments, and the fast-evolving AI landscape. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what stocks or sectors you want me to cover next. For stock recommendations, remember to visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you tomorrow.